Hey Alex, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to go over 3 things you could start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business. I found that by giving people an easy free attack plan of things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still putting their trust in me to help grow their company. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and digital marketing tools that can help your company grow, then just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan I give you today and do it yourself, well, that works for me too. So let me show you 3 things that will set your company above its competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing we're going to go over is going to be content. So what I did is I just took your URL here and I plugged it into a tool called SEO Quake. And what we want to look at is just the amount of content you have. So you're doing a pretty good job there because the minimum words that Google has released that they want to see based on their algorithms and optimization is 1,500 words. So you're doubling that. So you're automatically killing that area. Also, you're doing pretty good at what you want to be found for. So your keyword density. So you have damage 114, water 108, restoration 102, and Orange County. So that's really good. So I don't really have anything to improve here. Just keep up the good work on the content side. Now, the next thing I'm going to talk about is citations. So when I typed in water damage restoration Anaheim, we can see that the first thing that pops up is going to be this map pack. And we see that you have a couple of top competitors right here. So let's just take a check and look at water damage Anaheim Land Inc. and see what kind of citations they have. So we can see that they actually only have 3 citations. But I did a little more digging and I wanted to see what your number 1 competitor had right here. And we can see that they actually only have 26 citations. So it's really not that many. All a citation really is how we get at the top of this. Between that and reviews is what Google really cares about the most. And all a citation is putting your name, address, and phone number in directories. I often suggest to my clients to do 100 to 200 of them for them because it just annihilates the competition and sets you to the top to where they can never reach you. And it's really not that much work. Like I said, it's just your name, address, and phone number put into directories all around. So things like Yellow Book, White Book, Yext, City Star, so on and so forth. Now the last thing we're going to talk about is the most important. So looking down here, we can see your number 1 competitor is this ATI Restoration. These guys right here. So I took both your websites and I plugged them in a tool called Ahrefs. So this is your website actually. And we can see that you have a DR of 10, which is your domain rating. This is what matters most in Google's eyes. And what gets you this is your backlinking. And what a backlink is it's one website pointing to another website. And it works like this. If site A is pointing to site B, then site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's almost like a popularity contest. So here's the numbers. 859 backlinks, 241 referring domains. Now, what I don't say here is that this is your main domain rating. So I can tell just based on your website URL here that you guys are a specific area. So if we copy that and we plug the exact path in here, we can see what kind of traffic you're getting. So you're getting about 59 clicks a month. So that's not bad, but the issue is you have no backlinks, no referring domains. You're strictly pulling that DR from your home website. Now let's look at ATI. Wow. They have 8,000 backlinks almost, and they're getting almost 3,000 clicks a month on their website. That's a lot of value right there that you could be missing out on. But again, I can tell that they're an actual branch, so let's look at what they're doing numbers-wise. Paste, path, boom. So they don't have as many backlinks. They're still pulling that DR from the home, but what we can see is they're still getting almost 650, a little less, 632 clicks a month. So that's a lot of clicks you're missing out on by not being at the top. So in closing, we talked about 3 things. We talked about content and how you want to keep up that content you're already doing a pretty good job at. So nothing really to improve there, but 1,500 words is what Google wants to see. Secondly, we discussed citations and how to be at the top of the map pack. You need to make sure that you're getting enough citations out there. I always recommend 100 to 200. Thirdly, we talked about link juice and backlinking, and how you need the most relevant sites pointing at you to show Google that you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies today, there's no doubt in my mind that you could be number 1 across Google. So what now? Well, like I said in the beginning, you can either take this information I gave you today and do it all on your own, which I'm totally cool with. However, If you want the most cost-effective route and want to save yourself the time and energy, you can go ahead and give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. I can't wait to hear back from you. Have a good day.